Hello, Mom. Good morning. I am making this video just to help your friend Mutaz. I'll just let you know what are the procedure for opening an ECA. I think this video will be sufficient for him. Audio is good for you, I think. You can explain them better next time when some of them approach you. Okay, first I'll start with the application form. www.tripleclicks.com/ECA Application.php. I have attached this site link in your email. Just check it, Mutaz. Yeah, when you just click on that, you'll get the application form. Okay, this is the main application form. This has 3 parts altogether, and before that you have to get ready with certain items which I have included in your email. You have to be already with your company name, what name you prefer to have for your company, and the address. The address part is very important because for this address you will have to provide a proof for that. That's called a utility bill or any kind of proof for the address what you mention in your application. And the next one is what products, what category or what product you are trying to sell, like ebook or like some kind of products like jewelry or anything like that. You have to mention it in your application before you start the program. And just make ready for logo, some kind of logo for your company. The third one is your photo ID. You can have your photo ID and utility bill scanned. This will be required after your application has been sanctioned. Yeah, so just keep it scanned already with that. Once when you get your application processed, you can just send them to the email address. It will be activated as soon as they get your scanned copies of the photo ID and utility bill. And for photo ID, you can use any kind of government approved photo ID, and you can take a passport copy, the front page with your photo, or a driving license, or a bank passbook with your photo, or an election ID. For Saudi you can use your Akama. And next is the utility bill, the proof of the address what you mentioned in your ECA application. These are the items. It's better you keep it all ready before you start with the application. Yeah, now we'll see the application. See, the application is your company name. Suppose this is where you have to select, and you have to use the capitalization wherever it is required. Don't use all caps and don't use all small letters. Okay, and for example, I'll select a company name as New World. Okay, next is the street address. Don't mention any post box numbers here. It's a street address actually. I'll write, it should be capitalized, so China. Okay, and city is Udon Thani. Okay, now the state is for you, for US, just leave it empty. And for postal address, you can select your postal address, your postal zip code, and the country you can select. I'll select as a Thailand here. You can select your country, and the first phone number is required actually. It's a landline. Landline is preferable actually. Okay. Your email ID. Your email ID. Confirm your email ID, and this is your website address. If you have any other website of your own, or you have any blog or something, you can mention it here, or you just leave it. Don't include your gateway of SFI or Tripleclicks. Just leave it empty. If you have, you can just enter it. Okay. This is where you have to enter your name, first name, and this is your last name, and this is your position. Okay, just if you're owner, just mention it as a owner, and the name contact person is you. So, and the last name. Okay, and the contact person email. You can choose a different email here, or you can select the same email which you have selected already. It's your choice. And here you can enter your mobile number. Here you can enter your mobile number, and this you have to select whether you already own a physical store, you are in some kind of trade or sale, or you are in some kind of business, you have a store or a godown. You can mention it as yes or no. Okay, I'll select here as no. And years in business, how long you are doing your business here. Suppose I do it for 5 years. Okay, I'll just mention it as a 5. And describe your products. See, this is where you have to initially mention your products, what category, what you are going to use this ECA exactly. Okay, I'll select it as jewelry. Okay, and then one is jewelry. Okay, how many products actually you plan for put it in your store? You can just mention it as yours, 3 or 5 or something like that. It's you can alter this later, no problem with that. And the primary products, so see this is where you have to select about yourself, as you are a manufacturer, or you're just doing you are doing trading, or you're just drop shipping, like that, anything, you can just select here. Okay, I'll select it as another company because I do it as a drop shipping. I'll select it this. Okay, this email, see, this is where your order, suppose some customer places an order, or an affiliate places an order, this is the mail you'll be receiving your notification. So just note down this, and then make sure you whitelist this already with your email. And suppose it's a Hotmail, you just go into Hotmail, you just add this mail at tripleclicks.com in your contact list. Okay, you got it. Just add mail at tripleclicks.com. It is same like we do for mail at sfimg.com, we do before for SFI. It's the same procedure. Just do it as mail at tripleclicks.com. This is from this place you'll be receiving your notifications, any kind of notifications you get, and just confirm your email ID here. Okay, and then choose a password for your account. Okay, just choose your password and confirm it. See, this part is very important. You cannot change or alter later. Okay, so select it carefully. I have a store previously called as Arun PKH. Okay, but now I'll select same as my company. It's a new world, so I'll select it as a new world. Okay, I'll just continue for the second part. Okay, see, I left it here. Okay, this is the second part where you just have to read about the agreement. See, this is the ECA guidelines. See, this is the ECA guidelines. I'll include it in your email. You you can check this, what are the items you can sell and what are the items you cannot sell. You just have a look into that, and then you just place your product. This is the application form. I am attaching it with your email. Okay, this is your application form and this is your guidelines. Okay, just check this. It's a restricted products. Certain items you cannot sell and certain service you cannot do. These are the services you cannot do. Just have a look into that and then you place your products. Okay, now it's nothing but you just have to give an agree and then you just continue for the final. Now see, these are the places where you need the documents actually. Okay, just choose a file or what you stored already. You can just choose it for upload 1 and upload 2. Upload 1 is your photo ID and upload 2 is your utility bill. Okay, and just hit a continue button. Your application will be processed. Okay. Thanks for hearing. Have a nice day. Bye.